I need your help regarding Dacor oven error codes.
Is that because so few people service the brand or because it is so hard to find information about it?
Both.
The F1 error is the system watchdog circuit. It goes off if there's an error in the bake system, though it could be any heating element or the wiring to the elements or the controls or sensors.
I have had my oven not heating things properly. But I don't know if it is a control problem, mechanical failure or something else.
Dacor ovens are some of the few you can calibrate rather easily. Usually turn it off, hold down the cancel key as you turn it on, and 2 orange zeros will show up.
That sounds like a normal clock reset.
Use the temperature up and down keypad to set the calibration before pressing cancel to lock in the new setting. The default setting is 00.
I read somewhere that their Renaissance and distinctive models need you to hold down 0 and pound at the same time before you do that.
Yes, and you can calibrate those models based on the cooking mode.
The problem might be the control panel.
You can run the test program on a Dacor oven by turning it off and back on while holding down the cook time option. An electronic program number will show up on the display, and you can hold down the membrane key for the cooking cycle to test it.
At least that is cheaper than paying an expert to try to reboot it to clear the error and charge me $200 for doing so.
Just don't hold down the membrane key more than 30 seconds or you'll get an F0 error.
That's the error code for a stuck key, and if I caused that, I'd know why.
The F2 error shows up when the oven is too hot. If it beeps, turn off the oven, let stuff cool, and check for a stuck relay or stuck component that turns on the heating element.
That would be obvious if one element was on while the others were off as it thermally cycled.
The F3 error is for a shorted circuit in the temperature sensor. You can reboot it to try to fix it before assuming you have to replace the sensor.
I know F4 is the error for an open oven temperature circuit.
And it can be only done while in cooking mode, so the error can seem to go away if you turn off or power cycle the oven. F5 is a control board failure that it recognizes in itself.
The default fix for that is replacing the control board. Pity I can't fix that with a reboot.
No, but the F6 error code for an EPROM checksum error is usually solved that way.
F7 usually means the door lock switch has malfunctioned.
The F8 error occurs when the door lock motor has run for 2 minutes without the switch changing position.
I've never seen that error.
It only shows up if the door lock failed while trying to run the self-cleaning cycle, where the door is locked shut for an hour.
I don't run the self-cleaning mode anyway because of its tendency to fry the control board while trying to burn away last night's greasy spill.